Hey, this is LF Tech and we're doing a lightning review of the Razer Blackwidow Chroma version 2. So this is Razer's most popular mechanical keyboard that packs a lot of features. It includes ergonomic wrist rest that's surprisingly comfortable, 5 custom macro buttons, pass-through USB and headphone jack, customizable RGB chroma lighting, and probably the most important feature is their mechanical key switches. The RGB lighting is pretty amazing and it'll allow you to pick from a variety of pre-programmed lighting sequences, or you can even create your own. But the biggest feature is their custom key switches. You can choose from green, orange, or yellow, and each color provides a different key press feel, allowing you to define just how you want your key presses to feel and react. You can learn more about each color on Razer's website, which we have provided a link down below. If you're asking yourself, why does anybody need such specific custom key presses? Well, that's a perfect segue into who this is for. If Razer's motto didn't already tip you off, custom key switches on your keyboard is huge for almost all gaming enthusiasts. Getting the proper tactile feedback and key press length when playing highly competitive games is top priority. For our testing, we chose the orange switches, which we feel is perfect. You get a nice tactile bump, but without the click. Playing games like Overwatch that require quick reactions and twitch key presses, the keyboard felt great and performed even better. There was virtually no latency between a key press and the action on the screen, and the choice of the orange switches was spot on. So in terms of pros, RGB lighting is great and fun to play with. The wrist rest is surprisingly comfortable, but removable if you don't need it. It attaches with a few little magnets on the back, which helps it stay in place perfectly while in use. We really like the macro buttons that were great for doing anything from simulated key presses to opening applications. The audio pass-through and USB on the side is nice and convenient, and of course, the ability to choose the exact switch for the best feel based on your preference. As for the cons, well, there really wasn't any. This is a near top of the line keyboard and it performs like one. So in the end, if you're a hardcore gamer that wants the best and customizable keyboards and wants to look good doing it, this is a keyboard you really can't go wrong with. And that's why we're going to give the Razer Blackwidow Chroma version 2 a 10 out of 10 Black Widows. Version 2. If you're interested in maybe getting the Blackwidow for yourself, check out the Amazon affiliate link down below. Hit that link button if you liked this video, and of course, subscribe if you want to see more of our reviews.